Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you about my morning routine. Inaantok pa po ako dito guys when I took this video. Umiinom po ako dito ng ginger tea because this is my morning routine. This tea can regulate our blood sugar in just 2 weeks. I experimented this already, kaya wag kayong papalag. I was getting fatter when I took my vacation guys kasi nagkasakit ako doon at kailangan kong kumakain. Brunch na po ako kumakain ng aking meal guys, kaya ang kakainin ko muna ngayon ay ito pong sun cake. At saka ito naman pong torta, 1 piece na lang po ang natira. Bigay po ito ng sister ko kasi umuwi po siya kahapon sa place ng kanyang husband. I love torta the most kasi ito po ang aming nakasanayang lutuin during our fiesta celebration in my childhood days. I will continue eating later guys, kaya bye bye. Mag-exercise muna ako. This is a cardio exercise guys. I will do this for 20 minutes. With this kind of exercise guys, maraming calories po ang ibo-burn out po dito. This bike is helpful for my husband cardiac rehab in our house. Kung tinatamad po siya maglakad-lakad sa labas, ito po ang kanyang gagamitin. At saka ako rin po. Meron po kaming treadmill guys, pero andun sa itaas. Manual po yun. Kaya nakakapagod din po kung gagamitin. If I will do a walking exercise, I will prefer walking in the mall. Kasi dito sa amin guys, alas 6 pa nga ng umaga, ang init-init na. I will prefer na sa morning po ako mag-exercise guys kasi fresh pa po yung pakiramdam natin. Sa gabi pa po ako umiinom ng aking maintenance for my hypertension, kaya sa umaga ako mag-exercise guys because hindi pa yung mataas yung blood pressure ko. Hope you like and enjoy my vlog. Just keep on watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.